Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to tell you about the government's plans for Montego Bay Metro. That's the bus service in Montego Bay. And the government is looking to revamp Mobe Metro. Now what we're looking at is the new JUTC buses. These are the CNG buses that are what you call a game changer in Jamaica. They don't use diesel as the name says, they use compressed natural gas. And it costs 20,000 to fill one of these buses. And the diesel bus costs 60,000. So these buses definitely are making a difference. And you can tell that green thing that says CNG, that's how you can identify the new buses. Now the government had 25 of them before, and they work so well that they brought in 100, and they have plans to bring in 200 more, 100 every year. So with these new CNG buses coming in, it has freed up, or I shouldn't say freed up, the diesel buses that were being used before can now be sent to other locations because they now have more buses. And one of those locations is Montego Bay Metro. And Montego Bay Metro got 12 new buses, all from the Portmore depot. The 125 CNG buses work out of the Portmore depot because that's the only depot that can gas them at this time. But I'm sure that's going to change in the coming months as the more buses come in. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the government plans to do with Montego Bay Metro. The government is looking to revamp Montego Bay Metro Company Limited, which recently received 12 additional new buses to boost its service delivery across Western Jamaica. The Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunication and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vass, said, "This is in keeping with the administration's commitment to providing safe, reliable and economical transportation for students, especially those in rural communities." The good news is that the welcome addition to the fleet will see the buses service expanded to 4 new routes, namely Johns Hall, Betheltown, Savlamar, and Lucy, Mr. Vass said. These, he advised, are in addition to Cambridge, Macfield, Sandy Bay, Goodwill, and Falmouth, noting that all 9 routes span the 4 western parishes of Trelawney, St. James, Hanover, and Westmoreland. Minister Vass said, consequent on the proposed revamping of Montego Bay Metro and expansion of the entity's fleet, a total of 8 schools will now benefit directly from the rural bus service. Schools currently being served include Rusies High, Cambridge High, Anchovy High, and Nokavala Technical High Schools. The list will be expanded to include Spot Valley High, William Knibb Memorial High, Hopewell High, and Irwin High Schools. As we continue to expand the services in Western Jamaica, more schools will be served in the coming months with the incremental increase in Montego. So that's the end of the update article on Montego Bay Metro. So what's good is that you can now get a government bus from Montego Bay to Lucy, the capital of Hanover, to Savlamar, the capital of Westmoreland, and Falmouth, the capital of Trelawney. All 4 western parishes. So this is an excellent start. And as more buses come in, I am sure they will be able to expand the routes more. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.